Why don't web scrapers ever get invited to parties? Because they always try to extract all the data. Don't worry though, today we're going to learn how to scrape the web politely and build some foundation for some seriously cool projects. So welcome back to the Siglify YouTube channel, and here we're gonna try to revamp the web scraping 101 series. So in this video, we're gonna cover basics of web scraping, including HTTP requests, HTML parsing, and extracting data with BeautifulSoup. And by the end of this, you'll be able to scrape simple websites and understand the structure of HTML. So right now, I'm gonna take a chunk of my time to code through a simple application, and then after that, I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, so step one, you send a request to the website. So using request.get URL, we send an HTTP request to the website and retrieve its HTML content. And the second step, we use BeautifulSoup response.txt HTML parser to parse the HTML content so that we can navigate and extract the data. Next, we use soup.title.string to extract the text inside the title tag of the website. And finally, we use soup.findAllAnchor, the A is for anchor, finds all anchor tags and extends the href attribute. And when you run it, this is the code that you will get displayed. So congratulations, you've just scraped your first website. And in the next video, we'll dive deeper into handling dynamic content and pigmentations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.